In 2010, SeaGarden was a small company. We didn't have a production at all, more or less. So it's been a very interesting journey, and it's in the beginning it was a tough journey.
It has not been easy to finance, and the sales has gone much slower than expected. When we started out in 2015, 2017, what are we going to do with the collagen? 3 months later, we have been sold out since.
We have like two different groups of products. One are marine ingredients that are used in savory products. This includes soups, sauces, ready-to-eat, ready-to-cook meals. And the second part is nutraceuticals, so food supplements, and here is the big interest of our marine collagen.
We can stand behind everything we produce because it's all naturals. They are pure products, clean products, MSC certified, halal, kosher.
Our collagen is produced from fish skin that normally it will be a waste. We are trying to be environmentally friendly and reduce pollution, reduce waste from fisheries.
I think this is our biggest probably advantage, that we have a sustainable raw material we produce the collagen from.
Every product has to be very detailed controlled. We check analysis results for batch produced, and if everything is okay, we can release the product in Rambase. That's the great instrument to be sure that nothing that is not released by quality department will be delivered to our customer.
We are growing in all aspects. Everything we produce now on the collagen line is sold before it's produced.
It has been a tough journey, but now we are there where we want to be. So it's possible that you will see a SeaGarden factory some other place, both in Norway and in other countries in the future.